Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Today, we're looking at the essential aspects of vehicle maintenance, belts and hoses. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more valuable automotive insights. The importance of vehicle belts and hoses, functions, types, and maintenance tips. Vehicle maintenance is an important aspect of owning a car. When it comes to ensuring the smooth functioning and longevity of your vehicle, paying attention to the belts and hoses is of utmost importance. These often overlooked components play a vital role in powering various systems within your vehicle, such as the engine, cooling system, and air conditioning. In this video, we will explore the significance of maintaining and replacing belts and hoses regularly, providing you with the knowledge you need to keep your vehicle running smoothly and avoid potential breakdowns on the road. So, let's discover why these seemingly small parts are essential for your car's overall performance. What are vehicle belts and hoses? Belts and hoses are crucial components of a vehicle's engine system. These components play a vital role in the proper functioning of various systems within the vehicle, including the cooling system, power steering, and the charging system. Let's discuss the different types of belts and hoses found in a vehicle, their functions, and their importance for overall performance. Belts. Belts in a vehicle are rubberized, flexible loops that transfer power from the engine's crankshaft to various engine components. They are responsible for driving the alternator, water pump, power steering pump, and air conditioning compressor. Common types of belts found in vehicles include the serpentine belt, timing belt, and V-belt. Serpentine belt. The serpentine belt is a single, long belt that snakes its way through several pulleys in the engine compartment. It drives multiple components simultaneously, such as the alternator, power steering pump, and air conditioning compressor. Due to its critical role in powering essential systems, a worn or damaged serpentine belt can lead to the malfunctioning of various components. Timing belt. The timing belt, also known as a cam belt, is responsible for synchronizing the rotation of the engine's camshaft and crankshaft. It ensures that the valves open and close at the correct time, allowing for proper fuel combustion. If the timing belt fails, it can result in severe engine damage, as the valves may collide with the pistons. V-belt. V-belts are typically used in older vehicles and are characterized by their V-shaped cross-section. They transmit power from the engine to various components, such as the water pump, power steering pump, and air conditioning compressor. While they are not as commonly used in modern vehicles, V-belts still play a critical role in certain engines. Hoses. Hoses in a vehicle are flexible tubes that carry fluids to different parts of the vehicle, such as coolant, power steering fluid, and brake fluid. They are designed to withstand high temperatures and pressures, ensuring the smooth flow of fluids throughout the engine system. Coolant hoses. Coolant hoses, also known as radiator hoses, circulate coolant throughout the engine, helping to regulate the temperature and prevent overheating. These hoses connect the engine to the radiator, allowing for the transfer of heat from the engine to the coolant. Power steering hoses. Power steering hoses transmit power steering fluid from the power steering pump to the steering gearbox or rack. This enables the driver to steer the vehicle with ease. Without properly functioning power steering hoses, steering the vehicle can become difficult and unsafe. Brake hoses. Brake hoses, also called hydraulic hoses, play a crucial role in the braking system. They carry brake fluid from the master cylinder to the brake calipers or wheel cylinders, applying pressure and allowing the brakes to function effectively. Damaged or worn brake hoses can compromise the vehicle's braking performance, leading to safety concerns. Importance of vehicle belts and hoses. When it comes to the smooth and efficient operation of your vehicle, the importance of vehicle belts and hoses cannot be overstated. These essential components play a critical role in keeping your engine running properly and ensuring the overall performance of your vehicle. We will explore the functions of vehicle belts and hoses and highlight their significance in maintaining the health of your vehicle. Functions of vehicle belts. Vehicle belts are responsible for transferring power from the engine to various components in your vehicle's system. Here are some of the key functions performed by different types of belts in your vehicle. Serpentine belt. This belt is responsible for driving multiple components simultaneously, such as the alternator, power steering pump, water pump, and air conditioning compressor. It plays a crucial role in ensuring these systems work optimally, contributing to the overall performance and reliability of your vehicle. Timing belt. The timing belt synchronizes the rotation of the engine's camshaft and crankshaft, allowing the valves to open and close at the right time. It ensures precise engine operation, preventing damage to the internal components and optimizing fuel efficiency. Drive belt. The drive belt, also known as the V-belt or fan belt, powers the engine cooling fan, water pump, and other accessories. It helps regulate engine temperature, prevents overheating, and ensures the proper functioning of the cooling system. Functions of vehicle hoses. Vehicle hoses serve as vital conduits for various fluids and gases within your vehicle's system. They facilitate the flow of coolant, fuel, brake fluid, and other fluids necessary for the operation of different components. Here's a breakdown of the functions performed by different types of hoses. 1. Radiator hoses. Radiator hoses circulate coolant between the engine and the radiator, allowing heat to be dissipated effectively. They help regulate engine temperature, preventing overheating and potential engine damage. Fuel hoses. Fuel hoses transport fuel from the tank to the engine's combustion chamber. They ensure a steady and efficient fuel supply, contributing to optimal engine performance and fuel economy. Brake hoses. Brake hoses connect the brake calipers or wheel cylinders to the master cylinder. They carry brake fluid, allowing the application of hydraulic pressure to engage the brakes when needed. Brake hoses play a critical role in safe and reliable braking performance. Power steering hoses. Power steering hoses transmit power steering fluid from the reservoir to the steering system, enabling smooth and effortless steering. These hoses ensure precise vehicle control and responsiveness, enhancing the overall driving experience. Maintaining the integrity and functionality of your vehicle belts and hoses is essential for preventing breakdowns and costly repairs. Regular inspection and replacement based on manufacturer recommendations are crucial to ensure optimal performance and minimize the risk of system failures. Be proactive in taking care of your vehicle's belts and hoses, and you'll enjoy a smooth, safe, and reliable driving experience. Types of vehicle belts. Belts are an essential component of any vehicle's engine system, responsible for transferring power and driving various auxiliary components. Understanding the different types of vehicle belts can help you in maintaining and troubleshooting your vehicle. In this section, we will discuss 3 common types of vehicle belts: serpentine belts, timing belts, and V-belts. Serpentine belts. Serpentine belts, also known as multi-V belts, are an advancement over traditional V-belts as they are designed to run multiple components. These belts feature a single continuous ribbed surface that wraps around various pulleys, driving components like the alternator, power steering pump, water pump, and air conditioning compressor. They are called serpentine because of their snake-like path throughout the engine compartment. Serpentine belts are made of durable materials like rubber, reinforced with materials such as polyester or aramid fibers for added strength. Thanks to their design, serpentine belts provide better gripping and power transfer efficiency, reducing slip and improving overall performance. Regular inspections and timely replacement of worn serpentine belts are crucial to ensure the smooth operation of your vehicle's auxiliary systems. Timing belts. Timing belts, also referred to as cam belts, play a critical role in the engine's operation by synchronizing the rotation of the camshaft and crankshaft. This coordination ensures that the engine's valves open and close at the right time to allow the combustion process to occur smoothly. Timing belts are typically composed of rubber and have teeth on the inner surface, which engage with corresponding teeth on the camshaft and crankshaft gears. The timing belt is subjected to high levels of stress due to the continuous rotation of the engine's internal components. Over time, it may wear out or develop cracks, which can lead to engine misalignment and severe damage. Therefore, following the manufacturer's recommended replacement interval is crucial for preventing costly engine repairs. V-belts. V-belts, also known as fan belts, have been used in vehicles for many years. These belts have a trapezoidal cross-section and typically drive components like the water pump, power steering pump, and air conditioning compressor. V-belts rely on friction to transfer power, as they are in direct contact with the pulleys they drive. While V-belts have been surpassed by serpentine belts for most automotive applications, they are still used in certain vehicles and machinery. Regular inspections for signs of wear, such as cracking or fraying, are important for detecting potential failures in V-belts. Timely replacement ensures the continued operation of the driven components and prevents unexpected breakdowns. Understanding the different types of vehicle belts is essential for any vehicle owner or enthusiast. Regular inspections, maintenance, and following the manufacturer's recommendations for replacement intervals can help you prevent costly repairs and ensure the smooth operation of your vehicle's engine system. Types of vehicle hoses. Hoses play a crucial role in a vehicle's cooling, heating, steering, and braking systems. Understanding the different types of hoses in your vehicle can help you identify potential issues and ensure proper maintenance. Let's explore the various types of vehicle hoses. Radiator hoses. Radiator hoses are an integral part of the engine cooling system. They transport coolant from the radiator to the engine, helping to regulate the engine's temperature. These hoses are typically made of a durable rubber material with reinforced layers to withstand high temperatures and pressure. A damaged or leaking radiator hose can lead to engine overheating, so it's important to check them regularly for any signs of wear or deterioration. Heater hoses. Heater hoses are responsible for circulating hot coolant from the engine to the heater core, providing heat to the vehicle's interior. These hoses are usually smaller in diameter than radiator hoses and are also made of rubber with reinforced layers. Over time, heater hoses can become brittle, develop leaks, or get clogged, affecting the efficiency of your vehicle's heating system. Regular inspections and maintenance can help prevent any issues with heater hoses. That's it for today's discussion on vehicle belts and hoses. We've covered the basics, but there's more to explore. Join us in part 2, where we'll delve even deeper into this crucial topic. Don't miss out, stay tuned. And, as always, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver for the latest automotive knowledge. Thank you for watching. See you in part 2.